Nothing is impossible, is what he said. And then that's okay, but how to dispose them off? What we asked. And he said, no, there is another Swami who is contemporary. So we entrusted all the responsibility to him. So you can just consult with him, and then he will take a decision. And you ask about the threat. He said, that's okay. We will be performing that in Hyderabad. It was December. It was January 13th actually. We met with him, I suppose. So in February we are performing in Hyderabad. If you are interested, you can come and join. Because it was mother who wanted us to ask, so we said, because my mom asked us to. That's all. I said, that's okay. And that's the beginning. So later we came back, but before we come, Swamiji's program was not there to Rajahmundry. He wanted to directly go to some other place near Vijayawada. So, but his program was suddenly changed, and then he wanted to make a halt in Rajahmundry also. But what the local organizer said, you go and organize the things there. We didn't know anything how to organize, what to organize, and so on. But because they said, I said, that's okay. And then we went and we talked to local people, organized some people to receive Swamiji, and also some pandals, whatever are required, this we organized. Next morning, Swamiji was discussing things with some people. Because it was we organized, right? So just we wanted to be somewhere nearby, here and there. So we were accepted to be like that. So meanwhile, Swamiji was talking to people that we need a person who is a steno. So because we had some office work to be executed, and we need a person. So Swamiji was talking to somebody. Can you guys find out a person like that? So we were there now. So we asked, I'm a steno. Can I be with you? Our interest was not anything to do any kind of service like this. Because we saw Swamiji was having a big bus. Big bus. And so he always keeps touring. So our fashion was to tour. So we thought, if we also be here, we can keep touring everywhere and see all the places. And then we said, so yes, I'm a steno, so I can do some job if you are interested. He said, oh, is it so? It's okay. Go and seek your mother's permission. If she permits, then it's okay, no problem. And then we went and asked mother who was there, this is what he wants, and because I'm able to do that work, can I go? She said, she took a little time to give a decision. But meanwhile, Swamiji packed everything. And then he already left the place. But he went to some place and was just waiting for someone. But meanwhile, we, of course, got the permission from mother. We went and joined. Then Swamiji had a little bit discussion, and then finally he said, okay, come on. That was the time when we joined Swamiji in 14th of January, 1975. And then straight away Swamiji went to an ashram which is in Guntur, and there he started a small school for spiritual courses. And we also just were there with Swamiji. We actually were not for the school. And from there, Swamiji toured all South India. He went to Chennai, from Chennai to a few Divideshas, from there to Srirangam, from Srirangam to Kerala. From there were many Divideshas. Swamiji was having a big project called Indian Temple Renovation Committee. So where very big people were the members, like Somanis were members, and Birla was a member, and Dalmia was a member, TVS Sundaram Iyengar, no? The founder of TVS was also a member. So they used to spend, Swamiji used to go to temples, find out the situation of the temple, and if it is dilapidated, then prepares an estimation by himself, what costs, how much it costs, and so on and so forth, and make it three portions. One portion should be borne by the local people, and one portion the organization used to pay, and the rest of the 1/3 will be by the local government, endowment department. That was the agreement. So that's how Swamiji almost visited about 75 temples. All they are very famous temples, which are called 108 Divideshas.
Yeah.
So like that, and our duty is whatever the Swamiji instructs, take the notes of estimates and stuff, prepare the statements, and send them to all people. That was what we were doing. And finished the tour. Then Swamiji came to Tirupati as the last link, and from there Swamiji flew to Calcutta and asked us to go to Hyderabad. And then we were again, we came to Hyderabad. We took the threat, and then Swamiji gave initiation also as a part of the whole process, though we do not know anything about it. And then because Swamiji wanted to work with him, so we are very happy because we visited many places and we saw many states and many temples and so much. And after that, Swamiji was performing a very big yagam in Hyderabad with 108 kundas. And we also were, of course, taking care of all other arrangements what were necessary there for the scholars to come, to stay, to correspond. All activities we used to do. But where the atheism gone, actually we didn't know. Because when we were with Swamiji, Swamiji was giving some discourses here and there with people, and we used to listen. And we used to take notes of the activities that were taken, and we used to prepare the news and send to people. Just like an official, we used to have a typewriter with us, and that is a British Oliver mission. It was a very old mission, you know. Only we will be using that, no other can use it.
Job security.